Outstanding design defines the 2017 Kia Sorento. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call